This is how you can insert the trademark symbol in Google Docs. There are 3 ways you can do that. The easiest and the fastest way is by typing the letter T and M on the keyboard and then press spacebar, and it would automatically turn that 2 letters into the trademark symbol. Let me give you an example. So when I type T and then M and then followed by spacebar, it would turn into this tiny trademark symbol. This is possible because by default Google Docs actually have a automatic substitution. So if you see here, there is TM and it would be converted into this trademark symbol. So that's why we can get that. And of course you can also just change this keyword to anything you like, anything that you find it much more comfortable. So anyway, that was for the first method. The second method is a bit more complicated, but probably some people find it much more interesting because you would find more variations of this symbol. So go to the insert menu and go to special characters, and then here I want to find trademark. Oh, it's not there, so maybe just TM. Not there. Okay, so yeah, usually there are some other options, but this time around only one, so that's fine. You can click on it, and now we got the same symbol. So that was for the second method. So for the third method is using the keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows, then the shortcut is going to be Alt plus 0153 on the numeric key. So press and hold the Alt key on the keyboard and then followed by 0153. It would create this tiny trademark symbol. So those are 3 ways you can try to create a trademark symbol on your Google Docs document.